There are just so many ways of earning passive income in 2022. Where do we even start? Well, here's a quick list worth considering.
Starting off, we have crypto staking.
What is crypto staking, you might be wondering? Well, essentially, think of it as a high interest savings account, just with a very high interest rate.
To start earning this high interest rate, you must have money invested in a specific cryptocurrency. For example, USDC, which is a stable coin, meaning there is no fluctuation in price whatsoever. Now this can actually offer 14% APY on certain platforms such as crypto.com.
So in this example, if you were to stake $1,000 worth of USDC for one singular year, you would have profited $140 before tax, obviously. As well, your invested capital would actually be relatively safe from market volatilities, with the only risk that you actually assume being that the coin might actually get hacked or the government bans it somehow, which at this point isn't too likely to happen. Next up, we have dividend investing. Now, I'm sure you've all heard of dividends before, but if you haven't, it's essentially where a company pays you for holding their stock. Now, this interest rate will obviously depend on which stock you're deciding to hold.
For example, if you were to purchase the dividends-focused stock by the ticker EITUN, you would be earning around 8.71% APY on top of any potential capital gains. The main risk you assume for this investment is the fluctuation of stock price, which may result in an overall loss.
14%? 8.71%? That's not enough. Okay, well, for those of you looking for insane returns while getting paid passively, I really hate to break it to you, but that's just not possible. Until now!
So we return to the crypto realm, and here you guys can invest into projects that pay insane APY such as Titano and Libero. Now this APY will range within the hundred of thousands. Now if you decide to purchase, let's say, Titano, all you have to do is leave the coin in your wallet and your Titano account will continue to grow passively.
Now, after one full year of having $1,000 invested into Titano, assuming that the price of the coin stays relatively the same, you'd be walking away with a little over $1 million worth of profit. And yes, that is interest alone. Pretty crazy stuff. However, keep in mind this method consists of insane risks. Next up, we have a method that will require much more time and effort. However, it is a much less risky play. As well, you guys will not need to put up as much capital. That method being blogging. Now, blogging can be very profitable if done correctly. To start, pick a niche that you're somewhat familiar with. Keep in mind though, some niches do pay a little bit more. Hint, hint, finance blogs.
The next step will require you to write articles simply on Google Docs or Word. Once you have around 10 to 15 articles, all about 1,000 words long, it is time to place it on a website, which can be done with website builders such as WordPress. Now make sure to integrate pictures and other visuals into your blog for a better chance of getting accepted by Google.
Now once you've completed the website, all you have to do is submit it for Google to review. If accepted, you'll start earning money from the ads placed on your website. Now to just get some eyeballs on the website, eh? And to do so, you can promote it using social media or through paid ads. Keep in mind that your earnings will vary greatly depending on the niche you selected, the affiliate links that you actually included, and obviously the cost for advertising. Nevertheless, once your blog is set up and your advertising strategy is actually sustainable, you'll start earning passive income, with the exception that you might have to write 1 or 2 blog posts every once in a while. One more passive income method that you might want to consider is actually affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to keep this explanation pretty short because most of you guys already know what affiliate marketing is. Essentially, you will find products or services that need promoting, of which the company that is associated with the product or service will pay you a commission for every sale that you actually make using your link.
You can find such products or services on sites like ClickBank, or you could research for yourself and find sites like Rakuten, who are currently offering $25 for each successful referral.
Not bad.
Now you'll be able to obtain these referrals through either social media or through paid ads. And that, my friends, is a list worth considering. Want more passive income methods? Click here.